In Adobe Spark, you can make little mini web pages. So click on the plus sign, and you're going to choose a page. And it's web stories, but it's really essentially just a souped up web page that you can embed into your Canvas page. Or you can use these elsewhere in your classes or on your teams. So I'm going to talk about, an end of the year web page. And my subtitle is, remembering remembering our time at Clay. And then I'm going to add a plus sign, and that allows me, I'm going to have to pick a photo. So I'm going to upload a photo. I've got a whole set of end of the year photos. So I'm going to pick, an orchestra photo. And then once I do that, that's going to be the title. That's going to be like the header. So scroll to start your story. So I can't do anything until I've added additional things. So I'm going to add some more text. Thanks to the students and teachers for making 2015-2016 a memorable year! Exclamation point. And I'm going to hit the plus sign, and now I'm going to do not a video, but I'm going to do a photo grid. And this will allow me to upload a bunch of photos at once. I want this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, that one, and that one. Hit open. And what that does is it uploads the photos, and then once it's done, it creates a grid for you. And when people visit your page, they can click on the photo one at a time, and it's going to enlarge, which is really cool. And then you can move forward. So click off, and it makes the photo nice and big. Alright, so I'm going to keep going. So there's the grid, and I'm going to save it. And now I've got my photo grid, so when people click on it, you can hopefully, I don't like that. Just kidding. I see what I did. I'm going to edit the grid. I don't want this one to be big. I want it to be small. There we go. Much better. Now I'm going to save it. There we go. And so there's my fun photo grid. Ta-da! And then next I can add something else. Maybe you want kids to visit something, so you can create a button. And the button will be, click here for a video. And then if I have a YouTube video I want us to watch, I can do that and we'll save it. Which I can't do because I didn't enter a web address. Or maybe you just want to do more text or a glide show. A glide show deals with photos as well. So you find more photos that you want, and then hit open, and what that does is it also creates kind of a cool setup. So you can edit the photos in here, and you can move them up, move them back, edit them, replace them, delete them, and hit save. And what that does is as you scroll down, end of the year, my photo grid, and then what that does is allows for more photos as I'm scrolling down to happen, which I think 5 photos is a little dramatic. But by clicking on it, I can create a focal point, which I actually want to be like up here, and save that. And I can edit the photo a little bit if I needed to. Or if I want to, I can add text, a button, video. So you can even make these big photos interactive. So working on a page is really cool because you can actually embed this into your Canvas page or use it as a team web newsletter with photos and things. Photo grid, incorporate videos of projects you might have done, have a button to take people to links to certain pages you need, or just more photos and text. So that is how you use these Adobe Spark pages. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And so once you're done, you hit share. And you can't download it, but you can create a link for it. So you have to pick a category. So mine's education. Create a link. And what you can do then is click embed. And by clicking embed, this gives you code that you would be able to embed into your Canvas page. So what that looks like is you copy that. You go to your Canvas pages. So go to the class you want. And then you go to pages, or actually anything. It could be assignments, it can be pages. All it has to have is this editable thing that you see on a lot of the pages. Click HTML editor, paste, save, give it a title, test. And then what you're going to see then is nothing because it didn't work. Let me try that again. HTML editor, paste, I got my name, save. And what you're going to see on your page is a working version of this website. Actually, it looks like it just takes you to a link for the kids to go to. And that is how you do it.